Hey, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called SUSSEXSANDRA and welcome. How are we all doing on this lovely, warm, mild Saturday evening in September? Hope we're all doing all right. Have you all had a good week? Yes? Have you? Good. I'd like to hear that. That's good to know. Right, so this evening I am doing an unboxing. It's one of my favourite boxes which I receive every month. It's different from a beauty box. It's actually a food box. It's a food, it's a snacks box, it's a treat box. It's filled with goodies it's filled with goodies. Some of the products are completely new to the market, so a little bit exciting. Products that you're going to be seeing in your supermarket, in your nearby convenience store, in your Whole Foods store. Just wait and see what we've got inside this box. The box costs £12.99 a month, so it's every month. It's a subscription service, so you will receive it every month. But I have got a discount code down below. So if you do want to try this box out, if you use my discount code, you will get £5 off your first box. So, you know what I mean? So shall I show you what we've got inside this September's box? So here we go. Degustabox. I love this box. It's just so good. So this box is a PR box, so this box was sent to me for review and for promotion from Degustabox, so thank you very much. I do also receive a paid box, so I still pay for the box as well. So I do receive two boxes. I do know what's inside the box because I opened my one straight away because I couldn't wait. I opened it up, I've sampled some of the things already. Yeah, you'll see when I open this up. Right, okay. What I tend to normally do with this second box is that I give it to my sister and then she can enjoy the contents as well. Right, here we go. So we have opened the box. Ta-da! Here we go, that's what it looks like on the inside there. Oh, okay. I am going to put this down here so I've got space to move. Okay, let's take out the little card and the information first of all. Right, so here we go. Here are the little bits of cards. Usually got some discounts and things in there as well. So the first thing we've got here is a leaflet which gives 50% discount on Sumo, refreshing with good vibes. So this is you see that there? So we get a can of a drink and you've also got the carton of juice as well. I've already sampled the can already. So the can I had was this one, which is the passion fruit one. Oh, yum yum and yum yum again. I poured it into a pint glass, some ice. Sorted. I will be buying this again. I enjoyed it. I really liked it. So that's the first thing. What other leaflets have we got in here? We have also got a leaflet here for Richmond sausages, I'm assuming. That's what I know Richmond for. So Richmond, free family, grab a meal. Try our range of delicious family-sized frozen meals. Okay, quick and easy midweek meals, no prep required. Just pop them into the oven. So it's okay. So it's a ready meal sort of thing going on here. So this is allowing you grab a free family meal up to the value of £4. 3 delicious family meals to choose from. So there you go, there's a leaflet there for that. Then we've got a leaflet here for Jaffa donuts. So kind of giving you a clue of the kind of things that are inside the box. This is information about the Degustabox itself. And they're advertising their advent calendar. So they're going to be doing an advent calendar. Now, doesn't that sound interesting? Okay, so, yeah. So the advent calendar costs £33.99. I'm assuming that if you do it early, if you're a Degustabox customer, you've got an early bird discount, Advent 2021, and that will give you a discount. So it's normally £39.99. If you use the discount code Advent 2021, you'll get it for £33.99. Total value of the Advent calendar, the box, is greater than £50 is what they're saying there. Okay, still not sure about me in Advent calendars this year. I've got my eyes on two now. I've just got to think about if I really want to get them, but there are two I'm thinking about. When I do advent calendars, and I know a lot of people, they like to do the sneak peeks, they like to open them up in September and October to show you what you're getting. I'm one of those people, I like to open up the calendars each day and then show you each day what I get. So if I do decide to get them, I'll decide how I'm going to do them. What I might do one as a sneak peek, so show you in advance, September, October. And the other one I'll open up each day during the Advent season. So we'll see. That's if I do decide to get them. Right, next little leaflet here is protein. I'm full of it. Nature's Heart, 10-gram protein bar, that sort of thing. And finally, we've got the leaflet with all the details of the products in the box. And the theme this month is family sharing. I like that. Let's take out the first item. Right, here we go. First item is from Eat Real Hummus Chips, tomato and basil flavour. Oh, this is different from the one I've got. I've got a different flavour in my other box. So these are they, and these are, let's get the information for you. So this is the product of the month. So these are Eat Real snacks, and this is hummus, tomato and basil chips, £1.80. So we're on a mission to bring you delicious snacks made with honest ingredients that never compromise. Mouth-wateringly Moorish with a satisfying crunch. Our hummus, tomato and basil chips are proof that snacks really can taste good and leave you feeling good. Real ingredients, real crunch, real taste. And these are available at all major supermarkets. So it's £1.80 for this size one, which is about the price you get for sort of these kind of size of crisps, sort of kettle chips, the more sort of higher quality crisps. So there you go. I haven't eaten the one I've got in my other one here, so we'll let you know how they go down. I'm not going to be eating anything tonight. I'm kind of stomach's full. Had a great evening, sort of late afternoon evening out. We went down to the Brighton Marina area. We just hung out down there. Had all my family. We went out and had a big old harvester meal. We stuffed our faces. Oh my God, I had ribs and chicken coming out of every ear. Oh, it was delicious. And then we just chilled out down by the beach. Came back, watched my favourite programme. Strictly's back. Woohoo! So just finished watching Strictly. So I'm now here filming. That to me is a perfect Saturday evening. Love it. Right, that was the first item. Moving on, next item, what we got here. Okay, yep, these are from Pasquier, I'm calling it Pasquier. So we get this brand quite a bit in our subscription box now, in our Degustabox now, and they bring us different things from this brand, usually brioche based items. So we've got here brioche rolls with chocolate chips. So these are, let's get the information here, brioche Pasquier brioche rolls with chocolate chips, and there's 6 of them in the packet. £1.50. We have added delicious dark chocolate chips to our traditional brioche rolls for a more indulgent treat. Soft and tasty, our brioche rolls with chocolate chips can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch or a treat. So there you go. That's them. It's cool. Next is... Okay, yeah, so this is the drink that I had I think it was yesterday evening I had it. Was it yesterday evening? I got my box on Thursday, so I think it was yesterday evening I drank this, and it's damn nice. I really liked it. So this is from Sumol, and it's passion fruit, 99p. That's a good price. Happy about that price. Sumol is a refreshing drink, lightly carbonated, with real fruit juice and pulp. Try these unique flavours with a tropical vibe. Passion fruit, they've got pineapple or orange, and maximum 25 calories per 100 mils. Sumol is authentic since 1954. It's available at Portuguese stores and delicassuk.com. Okay, so obviously a Portuguese drink, but I really like this. Very nice. Excuse me. Oh, I'm drinking cider. That's why I'm probably not going to snack on anything here. I'm just drinking wild berry Swedish cider. I know, basic. I'm a basic bitch, but hey, I enjoy my stuff. Nice. Next, we have here, so we've got a sort of a noodle dish here. Kelly loves katsuo udon. udon. So this is Kelly loves katsuo udon. This is £2.90. Kelly selected this Korean recipe for its authentic katsuo broth, its generous portion of udon noodles, and its katsubushi dried bonito flakes topping, which is bringing extra umami to this cup noodle. So it's available in Sushi Daily kiosks, at Waitrose and at Asda. Find your local Sushi Daily at Sushi Daily, Comgo, or various links to it. So I've seen Sushi Dailies appearing in quite a few of the supermarkets in Brighton. So I've seen this in Sainsbury's and in Asda. They've got like little franchise kiosks within the stores themselves. So interesting. So there you go, udon dish. Nice for a lunch, nice for a snack. So that's all good. Right, put that there. Next, we have, okay, from Prince, and these are sort of chocolate flavour, and these are like those sort of crunchy French. I associate these with France, these kind of biscuits, but these have got fillings in them. They've got little sort of chocolatey paste inside them. So these are Prince, our much loved biscuits, are rich in wheat, suitable for vegetarians. An adapted portion for a balanced snack could be one of these, an apple and a glass of water, is that, or milk? I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. But anyway, I'll tell you about these. These are Prince chocolate and white chocolate. So we've got two of these in a box, £1. It's a tasty sandwich biscuit filled with chocolate flavour or white chocolate flavour filling. A delicious snack rich in wheat, suitable for vegetarians. You should receive 2 items in your box, and it's available from Asda. So as I said, we've got this one, which is the chocolate flavour, and then we've got the white chocolate in here as well. Yeah, here we go. Here's the white chocolate. So there you go. Can't go too far wrong with that, can you? There you are. So, there's those two. Next, we have, bring it on out, from Cars, and it's ciabatta original. So you've got these here. So these are Cars Ciabatta Original, £1.59. Creating a tasty lunch doesn't need to take long. And our Italian-inspired Cars Ciabatta crackers are perfect base for experimenting with flavour and trying something new. Try them with slices of beef and Gruyere cheese drizzled with whole grain mustard, or follow our Cars UK Instagram for more snacking inspirations. And these are available in most major retailers. There you go. I kind of liked this recipe. That one kind of appealed to me when I saw that. I thought, oh, mozzarella and nice sweet cherry tomatoes. That just sound, you know, a little bit of mint, a little bit of olive oil drizzled on top. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Right. Right, the one that came in my box is gone already. All finished. This is all gone already. So I've got another one, and this is not going to my sisters. This is staying here. So this is from Toffee. Toffee 100 grams. I used to love saying toffee when I was little. You know, toffee. I know, I'm sad. Right, so this is 100 grams and it's £1.43. There is something in toffee for everyone. A chewy caramel cup filled with a crunchy hazelnut, creamy hazelnut spread and topped with a smooth dark chocolate. A delicious way for family to come together. Again, available in all supermarkets. I do love these. I think they're yum yum yum, very nice. I'll try not to eat these tonight because it's already getting late, so I'll save them for tomorrow. and I'll swallow the whole box tomorrow. No, I won't. I'll be good because I've got my family coming around tomorrow, so we'll all get one each. Never mind. Okay, oh, this is the other thing from this is from Compal, and this is 1952, and it's an orange juice. I haven't tried this yet, but it looks rather posh, so it makes me think it's going to be a really nice tasting orange juice. So this is where are we? Compal Orange Algarve. So Algarve is Portugal again, isn't it? £1.99. In the Algarve, we found the perfect balance between the hours of sunshine and the quality of the land for the sweetest and juiciest oranges. An unmistakable taste of the Algarve's orange made only with freshly squeezed fruit. Compal, expert in fruitology. Available again at Portuguese stores and delicious.uk.com. Okay, so yes, I haven't opened this one yet, but yes, I will be doing that. 'Cause I'm one for having fruit juices in the morning. I tend to have yogurts and fruits, and I might have a toasted bagel for breakfast. I'm that kind of person. My breakfast is always in stages. I don't eat it all in one sitting. I have it in, in stages over like sort of 2-3 hours. It works for me. Right. Okay. Next is two little things here. So these are from the brand Santa Maria. So Santa Maria medium fajita seasoning mix, and we've also got the Santa Maria chicken taco seasoning. So if I do the chicken taco seasoning one first. So this is £1.05, a taco seasoning mix specifically developed for chicken with flavours of oregano, mild chili, garlic and cumin. This seasoning mix does not contain any added sugar, perfect for making tacos at home. Mix and match with our tortillas, toppings and accompaniment. And it's available from Ocado and Amazon. Okay, so to do this, I was actually thinking about this for a nice midweek meal actually. I just need to get some tacos, do that. Make sure I've got loads of salad, because my salad tends to go really quickly. So I need to buy some more. And then this one is the fajita seasoning. So this is again from Santa Maria, medium fajita seasoning. Again, it's £1.05. Our fajita seasoning, mixed with chili pepper, cumin, paprika and oregano, is perfect for making delicious medium spiced chicken fajitas at home. This fajita recipe is a classic from the northern Mexican border. Mix and match with our tortillas, toppings and accompaniments. Available from Morrison's, Home Bargains, B&M, Budgens, Londis, Ocado and Amazon. There you go. So that's those two. Alright, last two products. This is from Jaffa, and these are Joe Nuts, a new original. So these are Jaffa Cakes, Joe Nut, 50p for this. Thought Jaffa Cakes couldn't get any more epic. Think again, our magic combo, but with a twist of soft donutish shaped sponge, tangy origin filling, topped with layers of crackly chocolate. The multi-pack is available in the major supermarket chains. So there you got that. And this final product is something which we have the leaflet for. This is the protein bar, and this is from Nature's Heart, almond, peanut and double choc protein bar. This is £1.59. Tasty combination of crunchy almonds and peanuts covered in quality dark chocolate from certified sustainable cocoa. Each bar contains 10 grams of plant protein powered by pea and nuts. They are gluten-free, suitable for vegetarians and high in fibre. The perfect snack to keep you going during a busy day. And these are available in the major supermarket chains. So there you go. That's a nice variety of products there, I think. There is something there for every member of my family, I believe. Yeah, there's something here for everybody. So myself, my husband, my daughter, my sister, my mum, my niece, yeah, everyone's got something here. So this is all good. There you go. So if this is the kind of thing that you like to receive every month, the box only costs £12.99. If you haven't subscribed to them as yet, I do have a discount code down below in a description box, and that will give you £5 off your first box. So if you want to try them out, see how you get along. But I do this unboxing every month. I love receiving the products. I've been introduced to quite a few things which they have become staples in my shopping each week. So it's a good little treat. It's really nice. And this is very much a family box, so all good, guys. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much for watching. Take care. I will see you very, very, very soon. All right. Bye.